In order to delete your Gmail account permanently, you want to open up the Gmail app as I've done here, and then you want to tap or click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner to bring up the settings. You'll see an option or a button here that says Manage Your Google Account. Tap into that button there. It will then give you a list of options here. You want to tap into the magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner to start searching, and then just start typing in the word delete. Go ahead and do that, and in a few seconds, you'll see a result that says delete your Google account. In order to delete your Gmail account, you have to delete your Google account as well. So go ahead and follow the prompts and type in your password once more to confirm. Just know that when you do this, it's also going to delete everything associated with the Google account, such as your YouTube channel, brand account, calendar, contacts, all of that will be deleted. So then you want to scroll down to the bottom here. You need to tap the boxes at the very bottom, confirming that you want to permanently delete your account. And when you hit or tap the delete account button there in the lower right-hand corner, your Gmail account will be permanently deleted and removed. If you have any questions, put those down below. I'll have a pinned comment with some frequently asked questions, and we'll see you guys in the next video.